Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. As you can see, guys, I'm in my entryway, which is I love the decor so much. That's why I always stand up here to do my intro. And guys, for this holiday season, I'm working on a series that I'm calling Holiday Season Gift Guide. That's where you're going to see all my unboxing. I'm going to do shop with me. I'm going to do a lot of fun stuff just to show you what it is out there. If you want ideas on what to buy for the holiday, so this series might be very helpful to you. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, today I'm going to start with this air purifier. And guys, you really need something like that in your life because it will keep you safe in your family. And if you're somebody that cooking and have your you want your home smelling good at all times, so this one will purify all the unwanted smell. If you have children like I do and you have pet, and guys, some people love to smoke inside their home, and if you love cooking like I said before, this air purifier will be very helpful to you. Inside the box, as you can see, have the plug and the manual instruction to help you figure out how to put it together. And it's super easy to put together, but I always like they don't leave you blindfolded when you buy something. You know exactly how to put it together, what to expect, and anything. And guys, if you're new here, I'm somebody that do my nails by myself. With the smell of the acrylic, it's unbearable. So if you are somebody that love to do your nails, so this one is a must-have. If you're a nail tech, this one is a good to have because you will not smell anything once you plug this in. On each side of the air purifier has an air filter, which is super great. That's the reason within 30 minutes all the air is clean. Guys, you don't have to worry about any smell, which is super nice. Okay guys, if you don't like mine, you can always head to the website. As you can see, it's super easy to navigate. So if you don't like this same exact one that I have, they have variety from air filter to water filter. Super good to have, guys. So head to the website, check whatever you like if you don't like the one that I have. Okay guys, as you can see, super easy to navigate and you will see all the products. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, the same thing I do to the other side. You have to do exact thing because it has two air filter, one on each side. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous un air purifier qui mean que on machine qui a purifier l'air là, qui a fait l'air là clean. So sous ta remè gon bagay kon sa la ka pour protéger tête avec famille. So make sure to checker boîte description pour more information. Et si pas la première fois tout le monde, merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. And one of the things that I like about it, guys, is easy to move. As you can see with that one finger. I move it around, guys. You know, I move my stuff very often. I love to change my home, change everything. So in order for me to move this very easy, it's a game changer. I love it. Guys, if you want something like that, make sure to check the description box down below. And guys, you can use it manually if you want, or you can use it, download the app if you on the Apple Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have Android. Guys, easy to use. You download the app and you will have the everything at your fingertips, so you can do whatever you want. You can control it from your phone. So it's really good to have. So I really like it. So guys, if you're looking for a good thing to give yourself, your family, or a friend, so this is one of the good option. And if you choose to use it manually, you can put it on, you can set it on auto, or you can put it up, you can put it to sleep. And one of the best thing I like is the lock button, because my grandson coming over often and this boy love to touch everything, so in order for me to put it in lock so it cannot go to play in it, so it's a, oh my god, love it. This holiday season, guys, going to be epic because I'm working on great content just for you guys. It doesn't bother my style, my decor. It looks super nice, super fancy, like a luxury stuff home, guys. As I said again, easy to move around if you want to change it places, but you don't really have to, because this particular one that I have, the Y1000, can clean up to 4,555 square footage. It has a 99.99 micron particle for pet dander and gas smoke odor, everything. So you really need something like that. It's very important, guys, to protect your family, and some investment is really worth it, guys. If you're looking for something like that for the holiday season, this might be very helpful to you. And as of for now, they have a great sale going on, so you may check the description box down below. If you need a great discount, please buy to my link. That's how you're going to have the discount, and I'm going to put in the description box and as well in the comment section for easy access for you guys. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, mes amours. Je vous aime. And guys, don't forget to come back for more holiday gift guide series, where you're going to see all my unboxing, all my beautiful decor. Like I said before, the website is easy to use, and guys, they have the exact same thing on Amazon, and it's very convenient if you want to shop them either in the direct website or on Amazon. And guys, for the filter part, that's one of the things that I have go to over again. As you see, when you put the filter, and they show you exactly where everything goes, so you don't have to worry about anything. This hair purifier, guys, is one of the good options if you're looking for something like that. The link will be in the description box down below. Check it out. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.